Hi Haris and Leon, this video is for you. So this is the ESS system. This cable is for the power, and you have this cable and you have this Y splitter. Okay, now we go to the receiver and you can see it's numbered 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you need to remove number 2. Number 2 is the wire that comes from the ESC. So you remove that. Okay, now you take the splitter and you connect in number 2. So you connect here. Make sure it's in the correct way, because the white should be here, the black. Okay, now we have two leads, so you can connect the one from the ESC to this lead. Okay, so now this wire will go here. This is the wire from ESC. I will connect here. Okay, I have connected this wire to the splitter and we have one more left. So this one I will connect with the wire that comes from the speaker. Okay, hold on. Okay, alright, so I connected the two leads from channel 2. Okay, and I have one more. This one you can connect to channel 8. Can see 7 and 8, so this one goes for 8. This one is for the horn. So if you see the remote, this is channel 8. Channel 7 is for the winch, which I don't have yet. So once you press this, the horn should function. Okay, so we have connected the speaker to the receiver. Now we need to power the speaker. So this is the wire we have. It's a T. So I made this one like from this one I made a separate plug. So you can see I just made it from a wire. I cut it and I give the connection like black, red, like it's negative and positive. Negative and positive. It shouldn't be changed. So this is for this wire. It will go here for the power to the speaker. Okay. This wire will not come with the box. This one you have to make it, or like with an extra pin you can do it. Now I will connect it to the main battery and I will show you how it works. Okay, now I did the connections. The battery is connected for the power. The signals will come from the receiver. Okay, so let me on. So I will on my remote. So the car is on. Let's try. It's on now. So just change. So I just tap. So this is for channel 8 for the horn. That's it. It's very simple. Maybe only you need to figure out how to make this extra cable. So if you have an extra cable like this,